when you guys studied about linear momentum, we also saw conservation of linear momentum, correct? Now, the same thing is there even for angular momentum. Alright, so we have conservation of angular momentum. That is, sigma L is equal to 0. Alright, so whenever we have any angular momentum, that is, external angular momentum is acting on the body. So then sigma L, the net external angular momenta acting on the body is always 0. Okay, we can see a lot of examples. See, one of the examples is a ballet dancer. Alright, see here, as the ballet dancer extends her arm, then the rotational motion will decrease. Now, to increase this speed, so what she has to do is, she has to take her arm inside. Then what happens? Because of the conservation of angular momentum, she will start rotating faster. Alright, see, we have L is equal to I omega, correct? Right, so L is constant, so I is what? mr square. So if r is more, then obviously the L value will come down, or actually omega value will come down. Okay, and if r becomes less, then omega value will increase because L is constant, right? So this is one example where we can explain the conservation of this angular momentum. One more example is, see, every planet, see, it revolves around the sun, correct? Now, all of them actually, they revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Alright, so what we have here is, as the planets are very far from the sun, then the speed at which they revolve is lesser. Okay, and as they come nearer to the sun, faster they'll move. Here also, law of conservation of momentum, angular momentum. See here, as the distance is more, r value is more, so omega value will come down. Once r becomes very small as in comparatively if it is small, then omega value will increase, alright, or the speed at which it's increasing. Alright, so these are the, like you can say, very popular examples which you guys have to know. See, you can come up with your own example where this conservation of angular momentum happens in day-to-day life. Okay, maybe it can be in vehicles what you're moving, or it can be anywhere body is undergoing circular motion. You can come up with an example of conservation of angular momentum.